Hello, all you attractive people. I get a lot of questions about electronics, components, hardware, coding, all that jazz. And for a while, I've had in mind the idea of doing a video series of a project where I walk through that. And Patreon seems like the perfect outlet for that. So we're gonna make a Simon game from scratch. We're gonna start with the real basics, lights, switches, and how to wire them up so that they do what you want them to do while the magic smoke stays inside. Then we're gonna move on to hooking it up to an Arduino, and we're gonna get through all of the coding with that one and kind of walk through how I write and organize my code so that it stays modifiable and useful throughout the whole thing. We're going to turn our circuits into a Arduino shield, so you can put your Arduino shield on the Arduino and you have your Simon game there, and then eventually we're going to get to actually making a circuit board out of that. And for the executive producer tier patrons, we're going to send you one of those so that you can play along with us once we get that far down the road. The first of these videos should be coming out very soon to a connection near you, and should be about every week or two. We'll take another couple steps down that road, and I think it's going to be a fun project, and I look forward to walking it with you, making it with you. Let's make some stuff.